Today I'm going to show you how to make a super useful corner jig from plywood for just $1.50. This jig will help you get those perfect 90-degree corners every single time. Best part, it's dirt cheap and easy to make. So let's jump in. Here's everything you need. A small piece of plywood, 30 by 30 millimeters, a table saw. For the fence, you need to get a perfect 90-degree angle in the center. And a square ruler, of course, and just a pen and a drill. I'm using 18 millimeters or 3/4 of inch. First off, we will mark the center point. Now make your center mark. So this is going to be the critical part. You need to have a perfect 90-degree angle here because the fence is going to copy it. You will cut down to the hole and that's it. It's time to do some measurements. We are going to cut off the corners at a 45-degree angle. I will do this 7.5 centimeters from each corner, 7.5 centimeters as well for our holes for the clamps. I'm positioning them at 37 millimeters from the edge. We'll also mark out in the center here between the lines we're going to cut. Also here 37 millimeters and the same on this side. We will cut these edges off and we will drill holes for our clamp here, 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 and there. It's easier with a benchtop drill if you have one, but the hand drill works fine. Personally, I prefer sanding and then staining it. It gives a very nice finish, but this is not necessary. I did find this build on YouTube. Supposedly it's from Fireball Tools. I checked out his videos. I didn't find it there, but I believe he is a creator and this is heavily inspired from him. So credit where credit's due. Time to try it out. Works great. Now what you can do as well is that you can glue two plywood sheets together and you can get a thicker jig if that's what you want. And there you have it. A super effective corner jig. It cost me $1.50 to make. It goes really fast to make it, and with the stain it becomes a very beautiful accessory. Gives a nice contrast to the wood when you're working on it, and even if you have it in the shop lying around, it looks great. Now, if you found this video useful, hit that like button. Please hit subscribe and follow me for more woodworking tips and blacksmithing videos in the future. See you in the next one.